Masking in After Effects is simpler than you think, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open your project in After Effects and select the layer that you want to mask. This could be a video, an image, or any other element in your composition. Now, go to the toolbar at the top and choose the Shape tool. It's the one that looks like a rectangle, ellipse, or other shape. If you don't see the shape you need, click and hold the tool to reveal the other options. For this tutorial, we'll stick with a rectangle, but the process is generally the same for other shapes. Next, click and drag on your layer in the composition window to draw the mask. You'll notice the mask creates a visible boundary on your layer, either revealing or hiding parts of it depending on its mode. To adjust the mask, go to the timeline and expand the layer properties by clicking the small triangle next to your layer name. Under the Mask drop-down, you'll see options like Mask Path, Mask Feather, Mask Opacity, and Mask Expansion. If you want to refine the edges of your mask, increase the Mask Feather value. This softens the edges and creates a more blended look. To animate the mask, go to the Mask Path option. Set a keyframe at the start of your timeline and adjust the mask's shape or position at different points in time. Finally, for more control, you can switch the mask mode to subtract or add from the timeline. Add makes everything inside the mask visible, while subtract hides the area inside the mask. Experiment with these modes to achieve the effect that you need. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and adjust a simple mask in After Effects. I hope this tutorial has helped.